Dorcas, you have no public support. Tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bá ní public support, kò yẹ kó ṣì máa ṣe sales girl níbi tán ti ń ta costume. Don't get it twisted. I understand pa abirùn ni ẹ́. I understand the fact that abirùn ni ẹ́, Dorcas. So me ò expecting kan tó dára lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Without public support, look at how successful I am. You are just being foolish. If the public supported Enu Isho, kò yẹ kó wà lábẹ́ staircase. If the public supported Enu Isho, ó yẹ kó ti ilé ọkùnrin kan dúró sí. If the public supported Enu Isho, kò yẹ kí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó dẹni àkọsílẹ̀ láàrin àwùjọ. You don't understand? You are just a fool. You just expose yourself. Because I remember I was telling Nigerians that me and Enu Isho does not have problem. Because Enu Isho does not have any child for my husband. In the birth certificate of the 4 children that belongs to Enu Isho, none of the 4 children bear my husband's son name, Lawal. And if I'm lying, I have challenged Ìyábọ̀ Òjó and Enu Isho to provide an evidence. Ẹ má rò pé gbogbo èèyàn làwọn olórí burúkú bíi tiyín. Gbogbo game tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó gbá nígbà tó mọ ẹbí mọ tó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. People saw it, they decide not to talk. But gradually, Ìyábọ̀ dẹni ẹ̀kọ́. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó dẹni ègbé. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó dẹni àrísà. You don't understand? Dorcas, you've been in UK for the past 30-something years without no glory, no achievement, no education, no handwork. You don't understand. And I understand. Your mother lost many kids. I understand. And you are not a complete body. You are unfinished embryo. You don't understand. Unfinished embryo. Yeah? So when you talk, it's only abirùn like you that will reason along with you. Not irú àwa. Àwa pé 100% full bar ni wá. Complete embryo ni wá. Iṣẹ́ kí ni bàbá ẹ ṣe, Dorcas? Iṣẹ́ kí ni ìyá ẹ ń ṣe? Ta ni ìyá ẹ? You don't understand. How would you say for Sariu has public support when Sariu is still selling bra under the staircase? Àti wọ́ àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tẹ́ gbé Sariu wá fi parọ́ for society, for the fact that you lure innocent Nigerians láti forí gbé èpè tọmọtọmọ wọn. You don't understand. You lure Nigerians, innocent Nigerians, to come and donate, Dorcas, when you know that you were lying. And only bita paniwa lalaniwa. Èmi tí mo sọ pé àdàbí tó bá jẹ́ pé òtítọ́ ni Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ. Dorcas àdàbí tó bá jẹ́ pé òtítọ́ ló ń sọ. Tó bá jẹ́ pé rọ́ ló ń pa bó ṣe máa rí fún ẹ, bó ṣe máa rí fẹ́nu ṣóre, bó ṣe máa rí fún Ìyábọ̀ Òjó rẹ̀. Ó rò pé mi mọ nǹkan tí mo sọ. And that was the turning point. That was when the society turned against you guys. Because Lizzy Anjorin has been saying Adabi, Adabi, and none of you could say Adabi. Who are the society? We are the society. The educated ones are the society. The successful ones are the society. The brilliant ones are the society. Not abirùn, abuke like you. Not a pathetic beggar like you. Not a failed product, a failed egg of a failed mother like you. You are in UK for how many years? Over 30-something, over 3 decades. In UK, yet you cannot come up with anything tangible. If we are to talk about someone that is being favored by the society, it's supposed to be Lizzy Anjorin. Everything that I lay my hand on in the society has been super successful. My marriage, super successful. Having children, super successful. My business, super successful. Who are the people patronizing me? The society. Not pathetic beggars, blackmailers like you, that you go and look for trouble and you start buying pity for donations. Imagine how many millions you trick innocent Nigerians to collect during the Enu Show. I was telling Nigerians that you were lying. I was telling Nigerians that you were lying. And you came back this time around. You came back. You pushed that idiot to come and be attacking me. The person that was sponsoring all of you, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àtàwọn tó ń polówó fún. We all know the tricks. We have all our evidences. We can connect the dots. That is the reason I was telling Nigerians, do not patronize anybody Ìyábọ̀ Òjó advertise for. And I'm standing on it. And nothing is going to change about it. I'm happy that the society supported me, they loved me. The society listened to me, and I've been able to liberate a lot of women. I've been a blessing to my generation. I've been a blessing to my family as a mother. I'm a blessing to my children. As a society woman, successful society woman, I'm a blessing. As a business tycoon, I'm a blessing. I have added value. See, we just won another award yesterday. See, this is another award yesterday. We just won another award yesterday. You see, this is another award yesterday. This is another award yesterday. Sorry, a minimum officer be by. This is another award. You see, this is another award. This is another one. This is not based on donations. This is not based on killing someone. This is not based on pulling people down. This award does not based on using vulnerable people for donation. This award is mainly for my contributions to the society in a positive way. And I'm dedicating this award to all my followers. This is for you. To the organizer of this award, I say thank you. I was not around. And with the love, they dropped it and they wrote a very long letter. So who are the society supporting you for killing people for donation? We remember how you buy Iyabeji when Nigerian police said you should come and give an amount you make through Iyabeji. Nobody forgets that Mohbad is still bleeding in the mortuary where Iyabojo placed him. Everybody remembered vividly how Iyabojo lied against Naira Marley, lied against Ijesha, lied against Lizzy ANJORIN.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Lizzy ANJORIN tí ó ṣẹ̀ sọ tán nínú fídíò yìí nípa DORCAS àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lórí gbogbo àwọn ìwà yìí tí wọ́n ti wù sí ṣé kò wà lágbára báyìí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa.
I have earned everything based on merit. I do my business, I face my business. I have a lot of people I cater for. I have never used any one of them to come and beg for donation.